What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out this Volkswagen ID.4. Now this is all electric Volkswagen, right? This is the ID.4 Pro S, as you guys can see right there. ID.4 Pro S. This is all electric from Volkswagen. Now let's start off with these Bridgestone tires. Here we got these, the wheels are 235, 55, 19. So these are 19-inch wheels, and of course you got the 235 tires on it. This is Volkswagen all electric, like I said. This is their first all-electric to compete, I'm assuming, with the Ford Mustang, or should we say the Mustang Mach-E, and also along with the Tesla Model Y. As you guys can see, I just hit the button right there, and it's all looking nice, as Volkswagens are. Now, with this particular model, it has 201 horsepower. It's a rear-mounted electric wheel, so this is not the all-wheel drive version. This one is 82 kilowatt. With 400 volt of lithium battery. So this is almost like having 108 iPhones that's pushing this thing. Of course, you'll only get, 275 miles range is what you're going to get on this particular one. And it starts around 38,000. So 38,995 is where you're going to be starting with these Volkswagen. It's not bad, and the charge time is about 30 to 60 minutes to charge up from 10% to say about 80%, right? 0 to 60 in about 7.5 seconds. And of course you do get the Volkswagen, you do get the tax credit from the federal government, right? Now let's take a quick jump inside. Of course, with this car you do have 4-year 50,000 mile warranty, and let me just open that. 4-year 50,000 miles warranty, and you also have, there it is, the 12-inch infotainment screen, right? You do have only 6 speakers in this car, so I think we could do a little bit better as far as more speakers are concerned. But of course, this is their first electric car here in the States, and there we go, we do have some technology going on, right? So we do only have these 2 buttons, and of course these are for the mirror, these are closed, and then of course you do have some here. And then this is what I really like about this car. You got a small screen here, you got a 12-inch infotainment screen over here, but look at where the drive selector is at. So you do that to drive forward, that to go back, and then pushed in to, of course, put that thing in. So let's jump in. Come inside. Once you hit the brakes, the car is activated. Of course, there's a button on the side, but it seems like once you hit the brake, it's ready to rock and roll. All right, and then here, we'll just go ahead and turn, and then that will change to D. So, of course, we're ready to drive. And as you guys can see, we are moving, ready to rock and roll. And then also we turn backward, and then that goes down to reverse, and then of course if you turn just slightly, you'll get to the neutral. So backwards, and that goes into reverse. And of course you do have a big screen right there with the reverse camera, right? Not bad, not bad. This is what their key fob look like, as you guys can see. And of course, let's go ahead and hit that park. There we go, put that back in park. Now here we have all of the amenities. We do have some cup holders going on. Of course, we do have some storage space here. We do have USB-Cs and USB-C there. And we do have some more cup holders back here. As you guys can see, there's some room. Let's jump out of this car real fast. You guys can see there's some room, so we can take a quick look and look at the screen. We do have a huge panoramic screen right there. We'll pull that back in a second. You can only, let me see, I gotta hit this button here. Let's do this first. Oh, well, let's see, where's my panoramic sunroof? Okay, well we'll just continue. Then we'll get to the panoramic sunroof later. All right, so of course that's the quick look right there. These doors are electronic, so of course you just basically lift and they'll open. Here's the room on the rear. So you guys get a quick look and see what this thing looks like on the back seat. And of course, like I said, you do have the panoramic sunroof. I just got to remove the screen here in the next few minutes. And of course you have all these to hang your clothes on. As you guys can see, it is ID.4, and you do have some USB-C charging cable back here. I don't see any USB. I know we're getting away from USB, so maybe that's the reason why we don't have any USB. And we'll just jump on in the back. See? And of course, that's your charger. And then let's see, what do we have under the charging area? Spare tire? Nope, no spare tire. So all you get right there is just a pump, and you do have a tow hook right underneath the bottom of the pump. All right, of course this button, all electronic, and yeah, this is what Volkswagen looks like. This is the Volkswagen electric. You know, so if you guys wanted a, you know, say a competition, or if you guys were a Volkswagen fan, this might be the way to go. You know, a little bit of competition against Tesla, against the e-tron from Audi, even though that's a Volkswagen brand also. I mean, you do have some options now. This is the beauty about it. We do have some options, so it's not only about Teslas anymore. You know, so here we go. We have the Volkswagen, we got the Audi, you know, and we have also the Mustang Mach-E. All right, so that's it. I wanted to just take a quick look, give you guys a quick idea of what this thing looked like, the Volkswagen ID.4, and yeah, appreciate that. Go ahead and drive off right now and hit the road. So like I said, just move forward, and it's ready to rock and roll. All right, thanks a lot. Peace and love.